Hello! Excuse me while I wipe a little something off of my nail. What is that? What the heck is that, bruh? What is it? It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! Valentine's sale! Yo, nerd! Get that sale! January sale is here! Valentine's, love, hearts, kisses, Valentines. Check out these Valentine's deals. We're gonna start it off with some big boys. All Young Nails kits, 30% off. That's all pro kits. Ultimate Core, Speed, Gel, Extreme Low Odor, Instant Studio, Fiber Gel. All of the kits are 30% off. That makes me fall in love. Every single Young Nails nail liquid and every size and all the kinds. Regular, extreme low odor, 30% off. Will you be my Valentine nail liquid? All Young Nails powders, all the sizes, all the types. Regular, extreme low odor, every single one, 30% off. Oh my God, Cupid, don't shoot me. I love you, powder. Stain resistant top coat. Buy one, get one free. Little stain resistant top coats together. You buy one and you get one free. And they're friends and they're Valentines. That was a kiss. Here we go, bundle deals. We got a 4-piece manicure Valentine's inspired bundle, 20 bucks. We've got a Valentine's inspired cream clay bundle. Oh my God. It's $20. I love you. We are launching brand flip-flapping new, our Young Nails Valentine's decals. Look at that. Love. These decals are so beautiful. They apply so seamlessly. You just take your tweezers and you tweeze them on and lay them down and beautiful. These custom decals come in a Valentine's inspired kit. You're gonna get 2 striping gels, 5 of our 1-ounce heart glitters, plus the new Young Nails custom decals. $45. And finally, introducing brand new acrylic and gels. Check this out. Young Nails Honey Opal Gel. Oh my God. You must get your hands on this. Comes in a beautiful bundle with a protein bond and a concealer peach gel, 15 gram. This brand new product launch bundle is only $30. Also, pink opal acrylic, holy mackerel, the shimmer, the opalescence. It is beautiful. Comes with a 6-ounce liquid and a protein bond as well. 25 bucks, bro. Wah. In addition, we've got over 60 blowout deals in the month of January. Love is in the air. Love me. Do you love me? I love me. We love you. Young Nails January Valentine's inspired sale starts Sunday, January 21st, 9 a.m. Pacific, and goes all the way to January 26th, 11:59 p.m. Do not miss the new product launches. Do not miss the bundle deals. And of course, the crazy 30% off on the kits, the monomers, the powders, the BOGOs. Oh my God, don't miss it. It's gonna be insane. But wait a second, there's also this that's insane. It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! Get that sale! It's time for sale! Valentine's sale! Yo, nerd! Get that sale!